AI won't replace consultants, but it will replace non-thinking consultants because the most valuable person in the room in 2026 won't be the one who understands AI, but rather the one who can think creatively about it. Businesses have discovered something amazing. AI is capable of data analysis, but it is unable to comprehend complexity. It cannot determine direction, but it can produce options. Additionally, it can automate tasks, but it is unable to resolve unclear business issues. The AI-proof consultant is the new power position because they are capable of framing the right business problem, connecting AI capabilities to actual ROI, make decisions by interpreting messy data, strike a balance between strategy, people, and risk, and handle the organizational complexity, which is something that no LLM can duplicate. By 2026, the position will serve as a link between AI and leadership. It has nothing to do with prompts. It has nothing to do with tools. It's about using GenAI to enhance strategic intelligence rather than to replace it. Do you want to develop the strategic and AI abilities that will make you unique? Learn with Learnbay, where experts can become AI-proof.